Let me share with you today steamed sea bass. It looks like steamed sea bass is very simple. In fact, you need to master some small skills. Tell me how the restaurant chef taught me today. Share with everyone. Steamed sea bass made according to this method. Tender meat, neither fish nor firewood. First of all, when we choose steamed sea bass, be sure to use fresh ones. I paid 15 yuan for this fish today. First, we use scissors to cut off all the fins. Fins have no meat, and it is easy to retain bacteria. Especially the fins on the back of the fish are very sharp. You can hurt your hands if you're not careful. If you get stabbed by it, it's itchy, painful, and cold. Perch tail. We also trim it with scissors. Just cut it into a dovetail shape like this. After handling the fish scales and internal organs, we put flowers on our backs with knives. Because the meat on the back of the sea bass is thicker, if you don't cut it, it won't ripen easily. It happens that the meat on the back of the fish is not cooked, and the meat on the belly of the fish has been steamed. After laying the flour knife, let's prepare some more green onions. Thinly slice the green onions. And it's going to cut a little bit more. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a piece of ginger. Slice it up too. Meaty line of sea bass. We can cut a little more ginger slices. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare another handful of shallots. Cut into long sections. Then we prepare a big bowl. Add the sliced ginger and scallion. Then pour in a little more water. Then grab the onion and ginger for it. Grab the scallion and ginger juice inside. Then put the sea bass in scallion and ginger water to marinate and soak out the excess blood inside. Next, prepare a red pepper. Cut the red peppers into thin shreds. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare some shallots as well. Shredded. Prepare a piece of ginger. Slice them up. Cut as thin as possible. Then change the knife and cut it into shreds. Steamed mulberry is ready to cut. Then pour some water into it. Soak it for later use. Next, prepare a bigger plate. Add ginger slices. Add some green onions to the bottom of the plate. And then the sea bass is pulled out of the water. Put it on a plate. Arrange in the shape you like. Then brush the sea bass with cooking oil. Brushing cooking oil can lock in the moisture of the sea bass. At the same time, it makes the sea bass steamed more beautifully. Put it in the steamer after 3 weeks. Cover the pot and steam over high heat for 8 minutes. We will prepare an onion at this time. Cut in half. Then the onion is finely shredded. After cutting, put it on a plate for later use. Add an appropriate amount of cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, add the ginger slices and then you add the onion. Turn on medium-low heat and keep stir-frying for flavor. Next, add a piece of cilantro. Keep stirring. Let's fry it dry with the moisture in these spices. Until the spices are golden brown like this. That's it. Then pour water into it. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce, a spoonful of dark soy sauce to improve color, a spoonful of oyster sauce to freshen up. There is no need to add salt here, because these seasonings contain salt. Then we turn the fire to collect the juice. Take the soup inside until it thickens. The fragrance of this fully integrated with the fragrance of the seasoning. After cooking, drain the residue inside with a colander. And you have a bowl of really delicious sauce. It's almost time. We open the lid. The water steamed from under the plate. Make sure to dump it. The water is fishy. Then put it on the chopping board. Pick out all the onion and ginger inside. Don't. Then put on the onion, ginger and shredded chili peppers are both beautiful and beautiful. Then drizzle all the sauce just boiled on the sea bass. The steamed sea bass is delicious. It's really authentic. And finally, a splash of hot oil creates the aroma. A very simple one. The delicious home-cooked version of steamed sea bass is ready. Steam it out this way. Tender meat, and neither fish nor firewood. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.